Quick video on how to take out the battery on a 2006 Honda Rancher. It's super easy. I've already kind of taken mine apart a little bit. So what you're gonna do is, some of them will have this, some of them won't, depending on if you lost it or not. Anyways, it's a bungee that goes over and connects right there. So you have to undo the bungee, move this out of the way, and then you've got your positive and your negative. I've already undone this. All it is a Phillips head screwdriver. So you undo this, and then you can undo your negative, move it out of the way. Same with your positive. Just unscrew this all the way, and then move your positive out of the way. Make sure to put your screws aside. Inside the battery, there are going to be little things like this that sit under there that you're going to want to make sure that you don't lose that piece. Depending on your battery, it might be kind of tight. This one's a tight fit, and so you might need to wiggle it a little bit to get it out of there. Let me get it out real fast. All right, so I've got mine out. This is actually the new battery, and so you're gonna have your wires just sitting there, and then you can clear all this gunk out if you want. It's not gonna hurt anything. This little piece, move it out of the way, and then you're just gonna put it right back in. So positive, the black is a negative. Look on your battery, positive, negative. You're just gonna put it right back down in there. Like I said, if it's a tight fit, you might have to shimmy a little bit. Sorry, you might have to shimmy a little bit. Let me get that out of the way and push it down in there. All right, so I've got it started. Those little pieces I was telling you about, you're gonna take and you're gonna slide it into there. You can see where it matches up on both sides. Slide it in, and then you can push this down in the rest of the way. Try not to break anything. It looks like this battery is just a little bit bigger than the OEM one. I'm not going to worry about this. You can push it down over. It's kind of a pain to get it in and out. And then you're going to get your screw. Sorry for all the camera wiggling. Gonna get your screw, put it in there, and then you can start it with your finger until it catches. Once it catches, it's good. Get the other side, put your positive on there, put it down through, and then you can start it. Same exact process. Once it gets finger tight, get your screwdriver, grab it real fast, get your screwdriver, and then tighten it down. You don't have to crank it down, just get it down on there snug, and that's how you replace your battery. If you have any questions, let me know.